Well, from the world of showbiz, he's been voted as the nation's most stylish man by a magazine. Here's the Marathon Man talking about his style quotient.
He's been voted the most stylish, and Farhan Akhtar accepts the honour with a speech.
Well, like I said, I'm really thankful to be selected as India's most stylish by Star Week. I do hope it's because I'm stylish and not that I was the only one available that day. And I think women's wardrobes allow you that. They allow you a lot more interesting things than a gent's wardrobe does. So she definitely has a lot more interesting clothes. Not that I want to wear them.
You want to wear them? Come on. Somewhere deep down.
But she definitely does, and I think she's got something for each mood and each kind of thing, which would be nice. I think if you could have that in a men's kind of way. But I think men's clothes are slightly more limited in terms of expression. I don't think we look at each other and go like, wow, how stylish, wow. Shoes, and especially with like the Keds sneaker variety, the more you wear it, the more comfortable it gets. You know, because the leather eases out. It kind of just molds itself around your foot in a very nice hug kind of way.
The actor wants to redefine the word success at a time of 200 crore films.
Honestly speaking, in all honesty, whether we like a film or we don't like a film, the fact remains that it is hard work to make any movie. Yeah, so the people who made that film, we should be very happy for them because they have worked hard to make it. We may not agree with their work. So we should congratulate them, be happy for them. And as far as success of a film goes, I think the success of a film cannot only be gauged in numbers. The box office is one aspect of success of a movie. The other aspect of success is also the fact that you remember certain films, you love certain films that maybe didn't cross that threshold at the box office, but you remember them 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line. You forget others. So that is also success of a movie, the fact that it holds a special place in your heart.
And Farhan will next be seen on screen with Vidya Balan for Shaadi Ke Side Effects.